Every trader faces losing streaks. It's a natural part of trading. But how you respond can make all the difference. Today, we'll explore 4 key steps to help you bounce back stronger. First, accept that drawdowns are part of the trading journey. No trader wins every trade. Losses are signals and lessons, not the end of your story. When losses hit, avoid the urge to react impulsively. Step away, take a break, and return with a clear, focused mindset. This pause helps prevent emotional decisions. Review your recent trades carefully. Were losses due to market conditions or rule breaking? A detailed trading journal is invaluable to spot recurring issues and learn from them. Don't rush to overhaul everything. Instead, fine-tune your risk management and review your trade criteria. Consistency and discipline are your greatest allies. Confidence takes time to rebuild. Consider trading smaller sizes or practicing in demo. Celebrate each small success, it builds real, lasting confidence. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Drawdowns test your mindset, but with patience and adaptation, you'll grow stronger. At RCG Markets, we're here to support you every step of the way.